Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on JEDSTAR. And in this video, we are going to quickly run through what happened with the meme contest and what to expect in the coming days for JEDSTAR. Big things happening in the background, guys. New partnerships are being signed with Frag Games and Aaron Miller. We saw the meme contest happening, and they're also coming out with their own new website as well as star staking. Yes, you heard me. Staking is coming in where you can stake your JEDSTAR and earn probably Jetstar or other tokens which would be part of their ecosystem. And you also have the pre-sale coming in for credit. So these are the topics which I would like to discuss in this quick video. Having said that, this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys. And please do your own research before you get into any token out there in the crypto space, as I am not a financial advisor or this is not financial advice. It's just my simple, honest views, non-biased, opinions about this particular token or the project altogether. Having said that, let's directly go into the meme contest tweet that is out there that ended just yesterday, and they are in the view of getting out the results. What they have done, they have finalized 4 to 5 meme entries which they felt were the best, and they have given it out as a community to vote it. So once the community votes the best meme, and that is where they will be deciding the winners. So the voting lines are open on the Telegram channel. If you are joining the Telegram group, please go head over to the pinned messages. You will be able to see that anonymous poll that is running right now. It would be open till Thursday, so you can go ahead and vote for the best memes in those selected 4 to 5 that you have there. So please go ahead and do that and support the best artist out there. Having said that, quickly running through to another tweet on the roadmap. So, what can we expect in the coming days for JED? If you look at the roadmap, guys, what we can have by the end of this year, white paper V2 release, which contains details of the second token of the ecosystem, that is CRED. How do I know it? It's mentioned over here in the Q2 2022 portion, right? So, and new website launch, that's also coming. I probably hope that the website launch and the star staking would be released in probably a couple of weeks before the Agora marketplace that's going to come out, because that's something that they need to go ahead and put across with the V2 version, since they have the pre-sale running for cred. That also might be coming out sooner than expected, because just my thoughts, ideally, think of it this way: what if they are bringing out the marketplace which would bring utility to cred or jetstar, and in that portion cred should already be available with a lot of people so that they can use it to buy certain nfts on agora marketplace. I mean, just a thought and view that I have, guys. I don't know whether it would happen or not. It's just my opinion over here, so don't hold me for it if it does not happen. I'm just putting out my honest views. So, having said that, this might be the scenario, or it might happen the other way also. We might also see that the Agora marketplace might launch along with the cred pre-sale details. Now, the details of the pre-sale for all the jet holders alone, it is not open to everyone. Let me tell you, that's the first major advantage of having jet with you. Okay, I'll keep it as second advantage, because the first one is that if you own less than, equal to 1,000 jet, you would be eligible to get a free NFT. And if you're one among this top 100 jet holders, you would also get a bonus NFT, guys. And that bonus NFT is again categorized from mythical to rare, mythical, legendary, and stuff like that. If you want to know more details, please do check out my other video which says why should you have 1,000 Jetstar tokens with you. So I've given proper details or complete overview on why it is important to have at least a minimum 1,000. Now, when it comes to having Jet, probably 1,000 or more than 1,000, I'm not so sure what would be the cutoff point, but all those holders who would be there with Jetstar will be eligible for the pre-sale. Now, more details on how much you should hold, all those stuff will be coming in the later days. Once it comes out, I'll be here to make a video for you, and after which the new white paper is what I'm looking for, and the new website is what I'm looking for very eagerly, because once it launches, I'm very much excited to know what the tokenomics would be for the second token, guys. And I personally believe that it would definitely add up a lot of value, since it is the currency of the first card game that they're going to come out with, right? So that's how it comes out to be. So having said that, I'm very excited for that particular pre-sale that would happen of the second token, as well as this new white paper that is coming out. And staking is something that I'm also very much excited. Think of it this way: you have your Jetstar tokens with you, and it's just lying in your wallet right now because you are a long-term holder. Why not put it across in a staking mechanism where it can give you much more rewards? either through the same token of jet through reflections, probably yes. Otherwise, well, you also might be able to earn cred by staking jet altogether, right? So that's the second token. I mean, passive income to the max. 6% reflections on one side, you stake your jet, you also would be able to earn the second token that is part of the ecosystem, probably yes. That is also another option that you might get. And who knows if that staking can be, probably built over once the third token also comes out by the next couple of months. That's for Q1, in fact. So, I mean, you just hold your jet, you just take it, and you're earning two other tokens. Might be. I'm not saying it would happen. I'm just saying might be. Okay. So that you can earn these kind of passive income. If that is not the case, well, you're still getting passive income through JETSTAR alone itself. And that's it. That itself is actually huge, guys. Trust me on that. Your 6% reflections on the one side, you're also getting more passive income on the staked JETSTAR tokens. I mean, that's actually huge. Considering my recent video on the price point of where Jet can be if it reaches certain market cap, that's again diluted market caps. Just go check that out. You would know what I'm speaking of. So these are the two things or three things, in fact, which I'm very much excited about. I'm very eagerly waiting for the new website launch to happen, the new white paper to be released, and also very, very eagerly waiting for the staking mechanism, how it would be, as well as the pre-sale. Yes, get some BNB ready, and probably I would be pumped to participate in the pre-sale, provided I have that eligibility in the first place. And how would I know whether I have it or not? Well, we all have to wait for that, guys. And do watch out and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like the content that I'm making for Jetstar or any other token out there, and keep watching this space because I'll be bringing as much updates as possible on Jetstar. It has become such a manner that I have been following this up on a daily basis, and I'm very much thrilled because a lot of things are happening out of nowhere. Right? You see this meme contest coming in. You see this new website that they're building up. They're coming out with star staking or staking mechanism. They're coming out with a new white paper. They're releasing another token. They're coming out with a pre-sale. They're having their marketplace coming out, all within a short span of hardly 5 to 6 weeks from the date of launch. I mean, imagine how fast they're actually working. And trust me, the partnerships that they're getting is all with A tier grades. It's not a normal company that Frag Games are. If you just go there and check out their website, you would know what I'm speaking of. I've also made another video, probably in detail, that Frag Games have some pretty big projects up their hand, right? So, and if my in probably research is right, they're actually working on a project or probably have worked on a project earlier also with one of the biggest European gaming companies. I don't know which gaming company it is exactly, but this is what I could find out, guys. They have worked in conjunction with one of the biggest European gaming companies. It can be anyone out there, right? I mean, Europe has some pretty good big industries for gaming out there, for building games, in fact. So, having said that, guys, these are the things that I would be eagerly looking out for. So, if you're still thinking on getting onto Jet, this would be your golden ticket to get some passive income and also expect some good amount of price action and profit that you can actually take off. Now, there are three categories of people who would like to buy Jetstar. I would probably try to put across my views on all the three categories. Although I would stick to the last category, which is an investor category. The first category would be the traders, the short term traders, as I would like to put across. These traders are ones who just want to get in when the price is low and get out when the price increases up to a value that they would have fixed for a profit margin. Now you can see a lot of people getting in with a lot of amount that would result in a small kind of a pump in the price, and then immediately you see that sell off happening wherein it thereby reduces the price. Now these are the kind of traders that they get into it, they just want a quick profit, they just move out. Now the second people are those set who would like to get into the project, wait for some time, see if what they can actually get as a passive income or certain benefits of holding that for a certain duration. And once a certain time period is left and they find a new token and they have made some appreciable amount of profit, they would withdraw their funds and go ahead and invest it in some other token which is newly launched for a better profit margin or better benefits out there, since the coin would be new or token would be new. Just quoting. This is the second type. The third type, and which I am part of, and I would like everyone to be part of, especially with this particular project or any of the other projects which I'm actually looking out for. Again, personal discretion, guys. This is my personal view over here based on my research and what I would do with my tokens or my money. I would be an investor for a very, very long term, at least in Jetstar alone. So if cred comes out, seeing the price, seeing the tokenomics, how the price action is, how it comes out. I mean, probably I might get into trading. I'm not so sure. I might get into trading, but then again, I would be doing the trading part not on a daily basis. The swing trade kind of a concept, I wouldn't do that. I would ideally go ahead and wait if I see that there are any reflection mechanisms coming in. Probably what I would do, I would wait for a sufficient amount of time while my reflection accumulates to a good amount of value, as well as the price of the token is good enough for me to only sell those reflections and get some good amount of profit, including my initial investment whatever I've made, right? So that's the way I would like to operate, because the initial number of tokens that you always have, keep them, because these kind of projects take some time, and once they actually hit the roof, it's a straight shot to the moon, right? You can easily expect 100x, 1000x, or even a 10,000x. I've done the price review in detail, including the market cap calculations as well. Please do go ahead and check out that video for more details on that. I've just compared it with another side project which is similar to Jetstar, Axie Infinity. They are also into the gaming space, they are also into the NFT space, and that's where Jetstar wants to establish itself. And the best part here, guys, it is getting registered as a company too. So no scams, no rug pulls. These guys are already experienced in terms of a lot of rug pulls and scams, and that is when they have come back with a solid project and a solid timeline and a solid roadmap as well. So having said that, I'll be ending my video over here, guys. Hit the like button if you like this content, and also subscribe to my channels for more such regular updates on Jetstar and other many tokens which I would like to cover in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun.